Mwandiki munene wa rwang'irwo gima thirikari nene Mary Muthoni augite thirikari ri na mubango jwa gucokia linda mama iria etetheragia ekuru muno baria bena twana tukenke kagitene ukaunke amaya nurses Kenya ni bekirite kirore witikaniria na ministry ogima kenda bacoka ngugine. Mwandiki munene wa rwang'irwo gima Mary Muthoni ni atenerete gucokera kwa mubango jwa linda mama na njira imaririte bonene aria ekuru babarito bakagunika na njira cia mwanya.
Basically, Linda Mama was the program that was taking care of pregnant mothers when they were giving birth, during delivery. And what we are doing right now is repackage the same and enhance the benefits. Ensure that Linda Mama is still there, but the benefits are more. Okay? That we'll take care of prenatal care, we'll take care of normal delivery, we'll take care of cesarean delivery, and we'll also take care of the newborn care. And equally, if there are complications, if a mother has complications, then we will extend the same for that. So the package is bigger and it is much better than what the ladies used to, or the women used to have.
Kagitene ukaunke amakia nurses IBEKIRITE kirore witikaniria boriti nguge na rwang'irwo gima nthigurune. Mwandiki munene wa kiama kia nurses Seth Panyako na ugite jamwe mabataro jao ne jainganitwe.
We have met some grounds which are going to be a foundation to achieve what we have. But one of the key issues is that the government made a promise with us in 2017 of enhancing our uniform allowance, collective bargaining agreement, and a uniform allowance and nursing service allowance and risk allowance. In this CBA, we have gotten our risk allowance, we have gotten our uniform allowance enhanced by 5,000 shillings. We expect it to go up to 25,000 in subsequent CBAs. And also the nursing service allowance to go to 30,000 in subsequent CBAs.
Akiongera ni bomirite kwa miaka 10 mbere ya ntukwena rwa gukinyanira.
It is true that the nurses have waited for this CBA for more than 10 years. We have agreed more than 4 times and it is changed. We agree it is changed. But at long last, we have a collective bargaining agreement that will serve as a foundation for the future engagement. As a nurses union, we have resolved to engage our employers both in public and private sector through the law and specifically putting forward the issue of dialogue. We do not want to engage in industrial actions because most of industrial actions, the end result is loss of human life.
Nawe PS Wogima akiboria baritanirie ngugi amwe.
We want a collaboration in terms of human resources for health, and human resources for health being one of the key pillars for universal health coverage. Let us go together, let us help people at the bottom of the pyramid, let us help Kenyans at all levels of economy and equally in all our health facilities.